Hello, everyone. Welcome. Hello, everyone. Oh, it's gonna. Okay, let me try now. Okay, so we are seeing a very bad situation. The day has not been good at all for anybody, I guess. For many reasons, we are all having a bad day, I guess. The market's not only plundering, but I lost some stuff that I was winning on futures, like always. And the topic here for being SHIB and ICP is really concerning me because this is really going down everything, Bitcoin, BNB, and other thing that is bothering everybody is because Binance Smart Chain is really congested. Is the traffic is very high there, and we getting problems all the time here, So yesterday I tried to make a transaction and I clicked it like 10, 20 times, and when I woke up this morning, like 10 hours later, it was all processed like 10 hours later, and I lost like $20 out of fees. And that's something that's really bad right now for for everybody, for the network and for everything. Maybe this is even a reason for this crash right now, because Binance Smart Chain is not holding the amount of traffic. And what we might see from this is that we might see some people migrating to other networks, and we might see this a little crash, a little correction, 13, 15, 5, 10% negative today. That's what we're seeing right now. So overall, the market was quite good yesterday. So today we have some, of course, SHIB and ICP would be surely be dropping because they were 100% plus yesterday. So overall, they probably still up from 48 hours ago. But nonetheless, we have other stuff going down here. TLM, actually right to the spot what I thought. 42 cents. Bar, I don't remember the price, which was. I sold this coin yesterday, KP3R. I sold like $20 of it. I made like 100% profit. Alice, Dent, Digo, Dodge, all these are dropping 10%. So Auto, Drip, Cake. Oh my God, Cake is back to 32. This is really a sign that this big congestion we had yesterday, and we still keeping the congestion. So this is a nice topic to talk. Even CZ, was saying like in Twitter, "Don't blame me," Even is seeing congestions, not dodging responsibility, and much as people wrongly give me credit, I was like pitching him also on Twitter, so I made him do that because it doesn't even have much comments here. So my voice could be like strong. I'm not that involved with Binance Smart Chain, so well, this is a very bad sign for the market overall. So I mean, mostly Binance Smart Chain, and that's what we are seeing right now. So let me see what you guys talking about. I think there was I need to operate this in a better. This is not it, but okay, we're gonna get there. So guys, we're gonna have a look at this pretty thing here. As I was saying yesterday, this was the buy zone. Remember, we made a lot of crazy predictions here, and it actually did exactly what I thought here. This, they did this, so, but here, yes, exactly here, but this then went to this really downside here. So this is the whole market really dropped, and I lost like I think I lost $60. 60. I lost a lot of money today for many reasons. A lot of fees, a lot of bad trades, futures. I did bad trades. So anyway, that's not what we're gonna be talking here. Of course, all of these problems was not only with me. So that's the thing here. All of this congestion in the network is probably causing the whole thing to go bad now. So we are seeing kind of a bad red day. We're probably gonna recover from here. Let's check it out, some other coins right now. So also gonna be looking at Internet Computer. So is IOST bounced? Oh my god, look at this. Probably stuff gonna start bouncing right now. So right now is a good spot to buy. Some coins here already bounced on 1 minute. Let's check 15-minute chart. Yeah, Bitcoin is really in a bounce position here. You know, really strong support. Yeah, I remember. I want to give a huge thanks for Crypto A, who is our newest member here on Scorpion Hardcore channel. He's a Scorpion family now. So thanks a lot for the support. And oh yeah, so Arion Macaulay he just bought on the deep. So that's what I'm saying right now. We probably just hit the deep. I don't know. I'm seeing a little bounce here. The bounce is like not confirmed. If we see Bitcoin, let's check. Let's see Bitcoin here in a full window. No, I want one chart. Okay, so okay, check it out. Wow, what a crazy drop. Stored, I was future trading this and all went bad. So, you know. So SHIB is really bouncing right now. So we got here a new support, which was kind of obvious, you know, 2000, 2500. When this coin started, when I was making the live, I really thought that it was going back to 2000, because that was like really the price before all the announcement that was made. So with this and the market going down, so it makes a lot of sense to be reaching this price level right now. It's just that we are not patient enough, you know. Normally it's always better to wait for days like today to enter on anything you want to enter. So trading takes a lot of patience, and I guess we are seeing a bounce here, so it might be a good place to buy right now. Yeah, good point there. The Shiba can't go. Of course, it can, but it probably won't go much lower than that because just what I said. Everybody at this price, everybody has no profit. Whoever got before, so whoever got before on this coin, and it's holding it right now, it doesn't want to sell. You know, whoever was holding the coin before the announcement of being listed on Binance won't be selling the coin. You know, that's, I think that's the point here, because we reached a price below that position there, so that says a lot. Okay, so SHIB is pumping, bouncing here. Probably all the market is bouncing. I hope it really bounces strong, because I don't want to see it going worse than that. We have enough here, minus 4.7% on BNB. BNB was reaching like 700, like, oh, so much volatility, but kind of easy. Ethereum went like crazy. Ethereum was like exploded. Ethereum was like holding, accumulating, and then it boom, like a bubble on the opposite, you know. Was, yeah, Ethereum was just like a bubble here, but for the other, you know, concept of a bubble, because people accumulated so much on Ethereum that people decided, the big institutions decided they want to enter Ethereum. So that's probably what happened, because the price really skyrocketed. So let's check a look at, we can come back here to SHIB. Let's ICP. So guys, don't forget, you can become a Scorpion member for just $2.99 per month. So it's gonna give a lot of credit to my channel here. That's gonna be nice. Yeah, so on ICP, we are also seeing a bounce here. It touched the bottom here 2 times. My support here really hold it where I thought it was going to hold. This support we never had before, so it was not actually much possible to predict. Maybe there was some other technical analysis that could indicate this support, but that was not the case here. We are seeing a second bounce here, so it's a good confirmation for this try here again. We might see this right now, and after that, who knows? But wow, a lot of volatility here. Just let me know how low you want. Oh, I don't control the market. I don't control the market, but of course, I try to bring some, you know, some analysis. It can't go lower because Shiba has really so much buyer in that position. Aaron, why aren't you subbed? You were asking for advice, but not member. Yes, guys. You guys are asking for advice, but you guys are not a member. What's going on? Come on. Join us. Become a member of Scorpion Hardcore. So let's see what else can we see here on ICP. Probably we also gonna get a strong bounce here because we need. Let's see the price on other exchange here, so we have a better look at how the price was, to see which is the real price of this coin right now. So all the market is dropping. So this is all happening. That this is all accumulating for many reasons, and each coin's like pushing each other down, you know. So let's see Internet Computer ICP right now. Okay. Why it's only showing one day on? Should be showing another price here, I guess. Let me see, CoinGecko. So I hope there is a bounce here. You know, it tested like twice here on a 15-minute chart, so this could indicate really that we're gonna see a bounce from here. Oh, ICP was already being sold. Hey guys, I'm wrong. ICP was like first delivered on Binance. I got confused now. Why CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap are not showing any price before yesterday? ICP was like fully released. Oh my god, this is crazy then. If that's true, the price can go lower. If the price was first released yesterday, it could go lower than this starting bar here. I need to check that better, because this makes a lot of influence here on the price. So yeah, right now at this moment, what I am seeing here is this, but we're gonna need to see if the market recovers. What I'm trying to say to you, if you buy now at 280 or 290 and the price goes up, we might see a strong resistance here. So if the market overall is getting much better, then I would just hold and try to sell next step. If not, and you holding a lot of bags, you probably could sell here. If market is not really doing good, it's probably gonna bounce a little bit until the market really catches up again. Of course, this coin is really new, so this is not so much correlated to the market overall right now. SHIB probably gonna be a little bit more market correlated. So okay, so it's bouncing back. Yeah, so I think if you have some spare money, I would definitely buy here, you know. Of course, my initial buy zone was all of this, so all of this is actually my buy zone, because this is also means that if market bounces right now, and probably it is happening, it's probably gonna go straight up. Let's see Bitcoin here. Okay, Bitcoin. If you see Bitcoin, it's just hitting a strong support right now. Very strong support. As you can see here in this window, right? It just hit a very strong support. So it's very important. It's very important, and it's probably going to happen. It's very important that we see a bounce on the market overall right now. Otherwise, Bitcoin, we could see a crash here. We could see 20% down. I don't think it's going to happen. But if we drop from this level now, this could be something to be worried about. Let's see here. If you put one day chart here on Bitcoin, it could be kind of easy for a crash, like, I mean, not a real crash, but a small crash, like dropping 20% for me is already, I call a crash, It's not like you're gonna lose all your profits, but you're gonna lose a good 20% to 30% of your portfolio. That's, I call crash already. So I'm trying to find the ruler here. Where is the ruler? It's not Fibonacci, but anyway, can you put some Fibonacci here? We are not going to 29, but we could see it going to 45. We could see it going down to 45, but probably not. At most, maybe we get here, which is a number I can't see. Uh, 52. Okay. No, more realistic. Yeah, 47. We could see it going to 47 or 42. Yeah, so we could see Bitcoin going to 42. I don't think it's gonna happen, but if we see a big crash, probably gonna bounce there. I don't think it's gonna crash. I think it's bouncing right now. I don't think it's gonna go lower than the price most coins are right now. BNB was almost at 700 and now down to 226. So this is a good indication of a volatility of this coin. It can drop $100 per day, and this is kind of scary, Oh, yo, Sensei, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So giving me my thanks to Crypto A, since he's a Scorpion member now, one of the philosophers here. So yeah, we had a tough day, a tough start for SHIB here, but it's actually beautiful to see this on Binance, to see how much people are willing to risk, how much volatility we had here on this coin, and how much profit people made since the coin went down. The coin went down. This means people made a lot of profit, which is a good thing, So I'm not much worried overall. What I'm much worried about is this congestion that we are having on the network. This makes me really worried, really sad. I lost a lot of money for fees. So do you mean you bought on the price right now? You say 0.23. You bought here, right? Then, because there's some zeros before the 23. It's actually the market is kind of taking a breath right now. It's not moving much, which indicates us even more that we're gonna see a reversal right now on the market. So it's not moving much, so it's kind of deciding if they have enough sellers. You know, the buyers are checking if they have more sellers. So that's why the market's kind of sleeping right now, and it's probably gonna jump up. But unfortunately, I don't have any. I just lost a lot today, so I don't have anything to enter. I just withdrawed. I doesn't want to see my futures because I'm gonna lose everything there. Well, so SHIB is a good buy, yeah, right now. I would buy here, down here for sure. Let's see, maybe what is that? Reason to be here. So no reason to be there, but it could. The only reason to be there actually is a market crash. So we almost got to the no reason to be there region, which is kind of scary, you know. But I think the market's gonna bounce up right now, because otherwise things can get really ugly. So the market is deciding if things gonna get ugly or things gonna get beautiful from here. You know, it's kind of this feeling right now. It's like the big bosses are talking. Okay, so we're gonna drop it or we're gonna skyrocket right now. It's that feeling just right now. Yeah, in my opinion, from all my trading screen years, this right now is a very this decisive moment. Very, yeah, kind of scary moment. Yeah. Well, I think it is. Yes, it's actually was the kind of almost, no, not the best buy on Binance, but at 23 there where I showed was a good enter. Yes, not bad, because it's showing a reversal now, so it's for the long term. It's a good price. I mean, since it came to Binance, of course, was the best price you could get it. So if you had the patience to wait until here, so you waited until here, so you're a good trader. Well done. What do you mean so expensive? To start with, I don't think it's gonna make 2 to 5 times plus, but to start with, let's delete some stuff here. How do I get everything together to delete? How do I select everything? So the long term, if of course, if the market helps, they're over. If Bitcoins keep going up, because Bitcoin is like really, nobody wants to buy Bitcoin. Everybody wants to buy SafeMoon. So Bitcoin is not. That's a strange thing because everything is following Bitcoin, but Bitcoin doesn't has to be followed anymore. You know, BNB, for example, is much stronger coin than Bitcoin on the, yeah, I think in all perspectives. You know, Bitcoin is more like the coin for being the value it represents. Because what I want to say here is that Bitcoin used to be used as a main currency of exchange on many crypto exchange. So nowadays we don't have that anymore. We have the tokens of the own exchange that used to do everything that Bitcoin used to do. So Bitcoin lost its use that had like it real use, which was a good real use. You know, Bitcoin, you could buy almost anything on the internet. So that was a great use for a coin. So right now, there's no much reasons to follow the price of Bitcoin. So yeah, this is a strange feeling, and I think that's why we might see Bitcoin on this price range for a long time, and then suddenly, I don't know, just everything skyrocketed like 30% a day. We had days like this, right? Every coin like jumping 30%, and then the next day 20%. What I want to say here is because all the money invested on Bitcoins, it's gonna really finally go to the other coins. You know, so Bitcoin gonna like keep the same price because more people gonna get into it. But the older holders gonna sell their Bitcoins finally, like the really conservative Bitcoin holders, they finally gonna sell the Bitcoins to buy SafeMoon. So when that finally happens, that perspective also gonna change. You know, when the big bosses start buying SafeMoon on PancakeSwap, you know, that's why we are very lucky to be able to do that. Yeah, I learned it from your video in ICP where I bought. Yeah, my time is really bad there in that coin. So my long perspective for the coin, I mean a price perspective, is to have like the double we had here to begin with. How much was that? Can't carry that. Let me. I think I can carry this, right? Crazy what I'm doing here. Confusing. Let's use a trend here. So if everything goes good, we could see it goes here in no time. But that's just like double the price which is right now. So I think we if everything goes well, if the market really helps, we could see a 50% no, 100% increase. Oh, this is 120. Yeah, because this okay. If it goes, that's why it was a great opportunity here to buy here because this is really cheap. It was a really big dip because we had a volatility, and this is very important here. This was a very good opportunity to buy at this price right now. So let's measure again from the price, right? It is 136%. Yeah, so that's the maximum around there. I think it's gonna get on the next weeks. So if the market goes really well, I'm gonna leave this to see if how much it can do that. You know, something like that could be possible if the market helps a lot. Yeah, if you have a lot of if you have a lot of it, I think you should scalp. Yes, I always do some scalping. It's good because increases your profits. So maybe I was right. We had a bounce on the market. Let's check it out. Have Bitcoin 1 day here. Let's see, 15 minutes. Okay, we had a bounce. Market is recovering. Just when we entered the live stream, we were like in the big bottom here. So I actually predicted this bounce here very well, I guess. Check the bounce here on SHIB. A lot of volatility here on this crazy bounce. Hello, Chan. So yeah, so here was actually I started my live stream saying, hey, this is a good time to buy. Everything is cheap right now, so buy it now. So yeah, when we started, the price was here, right? When I started the live stream. So yeah, a little bit more like here. So we are seeing a very interesting bounce here. I'm gonna click here, but don't get scared. I'm losing a lot of money here. Some crazy values. And I got liquidated on isolated. I was doing crazy stuff, you know, shit, crap stuff that you shouldn't be doing. So that's why I don't want to show nobody the crap that I'm doing in futures. ICP, of course. Let's check it out. ICP. Let's see what we have to say today. Well, I've talked a little bit about ICP, and the conclusion was almost the same. Like the whole market right now, it's bouncing. It went down to, well, ICP was first released on Binance, right? Can you correct me that? Say if I'm wrong. And with that means we don't have no support and resistance here to see. But as we are seeing right now, ICP, like everything else, is bouncing, and this support here show it to be really strong. Support here showed to be really strong. It tried twice, so whoever just bought the coin just got a lovely price right now. It's still very cheap, you know. There's a lot of potential to go back here, and if the market goes well, it's gonna go exploding up. Yeah, now is the time to buy everything. Really huge drop. A lot of stuff dropping 10%. Some stuff dropped 15%. Other stuff dropped 5% today. So a lot of discounts, guys. But at the other side, we had a lot of problems with the Binance Smart Chain having issues and problems. Like just here, as you can see, failed situations. Hey guys, buy skill, guys. This is amazing project. Buy before you regret. You know, let me do my here. I'm waiting for this confirmation for like more than an hour, and this is really annoying. Oh, you see, didn't go to my, let me see here. Wow. It should have been true, right? What is that? Approved cake liquidity for trade. Liquidity pool cake. And what is that? Crypto Blades. Oh, just accept. Oh, didn't accept here, right? So if you want to stack, you're gonna click here, stack, confirm. Let's see if it goes now. So that's the bad thing about the market. It's that, I mean, that could be one of the reasons for the market dropping today, because it's all congestion. And I think it's even worse here in South America. I think if I lived in South Korea, probably I wouldn't be having these problems right now. Maybe even with optic fiber I used to have in the other place I lived, but I moved. Now I don't have optic, how do you say, optic fiber. So yes, okay, got it. I got it. Nice. So as you can see here, I have a lot of skill stacked right now. That's a lot. I'm making like more than a skill per day. That's good. A skill is $5, so I'm making like $5 per day. Oh man, ICP, what are you doing right now? Crypto Blades is on Binance Smart Chain. Yeah. BIP20 is not Binance Smart Chain? Oh, I'm so confused. Yeah, so I just stack it here. I claimed it today. Actually, I claimed yesterday, and then I checked this morning. I had like 10 failed transactions, each one like $1 fee, and yeah, I was pissed. So now it is going through, so we are not having the congestion we had yesterday. Yesterday was a nightmare. I don't know if any of you guys tried to to do anything, but it was a nightmare. So yeah, I'm supporting this coin. Is, well, you guys take your own clue. Go find out more about it. If you like it, you can find out more on PancakeSwap. It's here, Crypto Blades Q token. So it is kind of scary right now. I'm saying that since the beginning. It's gonna test again, man. Come on, what you doing? The crypto market is kind of crazy today. It seems like the big whales, they want to see some more profit, maybe. Let's see. Well, we're still in a bounce. We are now, okay, so as we can see here right now on this, even TKO is a good indicator now. And well, we are in a bounce, right? So unless Bitcoin goes lower than 53K, if Bitcoins go lower than that, then I'm gonna start crying tonight. Because that's gonna affect my wallet. And because I think if Bitcoin goes lower than 53K, it could bring everything lower together with it, and we could see Bitcoin going back to 47K, 48, 49. The lowest Bitcoin can go, on my opinion, is 44K, which, I mean, without a crash, like a small crash. If we see a big crash, of course, Bitcoin can go to $5,000, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think Bitcoin is going to 200K in maybe 4 years or 5 years or something. But yeah, so this is a very delicate moment, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you are not a subscriber, and if you can give your support, become a member of the channel for just $2.99 per month. You're gonna really help me a lot. It's been crazy these days. I had so many projects to be working with so many stuff happening, but I still have my main job, which I'm gonna have to bail out, I think. I don't know, because cannot cope to have a main job, have a son, and still do all these live streams and the YouTube, So this is a great way to support a better, better content with a better lifestyle. And it's great to be part of it. So, so we are seeing a bounce unless Bitcoin goes under 53K 400 or 500, as you can see here. Unless it goes under this price, we are kind of safe. If Bitcoins break this support here, and it could do in the next hour, it could do that, and then we're gonna need to hold your belts, put your belts on, because the ride's gonna be insane. I mean, of course, it could be completely wrong. It could just go to 51 and just go back up. 51 is already a bad ride here, If it goes to 51, the market gonna be crying tomorrow. So, well, guys, I think that's it for now. I just wanted to make a a review here on the latest listing coins. I always do that. Some price predictions for the latest coins, so we can catch up with the price prediction here and some analysis, right? Um, yeah, it's kind of scary when Bitcoin start going down, but it's looking better. Since the beginning of the live stream here, we've seen a kind of a recovery here, and BNB is kind of recovering, showing good sign. Right now is a very important moment here for the second 15-minute candle. If the second 15-minute candle breaks the first one, it needs to break the first one. It's gonna show us some strength, and that's gonna be good. So it's kind of a confirmation for the next hours, you know. Yeah, Osvaldo, that happens a lot. That's why when you put too much money in a coin that the volatility is really high, you really have to watch out and maybe even market sell when it reach that eye sightening position, and just smash the market sell when you have a lot of volatility. You just made a fast gain and you have a lot of risk on the plate. Just go for it, man. Take your profits and run away. Oh, thanks. Thanks for the suggestion, Pia Pia. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get more into the coin, learn a little bit more. It's just that I have so much stuff to do right now in my life, you know. As I was explaining, that's why it's a very, if becoming a member, if I make like, if I would make like $500 per month, that would make me like feel, I don't know, it's kind of strange. It's better not to think much about that. But and nonetheless, thanks a lot, guys. So, like I said, we're gonna need to watch out here. I think we have a good bounce here. Like we had this is healthy, for the market. We had a correction today. We have promotion today. So if you have spare money, buy some stuff. And I think tomorrow we're gonna see huge increase in prices, and even tomorrow you're gonna be able to do some 5% profit on your spot trading. So thanks a lot, everybody, to being here with me. Please subscribe to my channel and spread the word about Scorpion Hardcore. Yes, thank you very much. Nice to be here. Everybody needs that vacation right now, I guess, right? All with all this COVID thing, it's actually raining right now, and yeah. Later on, I'm gonna do some video recording. I'm gonna do some video recording that is gonna be exclusive to the members. I bought a. Don't tell anybody, guys. Don't tell. But I bought a drone. I bought a nice drone. I used to fly a lot of drones, but then here in Brazil you don't have access to much of the stuff. I used to buy everything from China. Then they started like taxing more, like everything they start taxing. And now I was looking really into this nice piece of art drone, and a friend of mine told me about a place that I could get it with no taxes. So here we are. One piece arrived. I'm waiting for the second. So that I'm saying that because you said about vacation and peace of mind. So that gives me a lot of peace of mind, going outside and flying, doing some images. And I'm gonna do some images. And if you are a member of my channel, you're gonna get to see those exclusive images from the place I live. Well, guys, thanks a lot. Gonna drink some water. Okay, so the bounce is kind of confirmed here on Bitcoin. I say to confirm the bounce, we need to see it cross this line here. And it's gonna do right now, so it's kind of confirming the bounce here back up. So we are heading to a uptrend market right now. Thanks everybody. It was just a turbulence. You can untie your belt. I hope you fly safe with us. Thanks a lot, everybody. Support my channel. Much love. Keep in touch. See you later, guys.